Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from my voice, I have such a sore throat. It actually feels like needles are stabbing at my throat. Never had this feeling before. I've had sore throats before, but never this painful. And as you can tell, my voice has gone. So apologies if I sound so croaky in this video, but I'm going to do a really short video for you guys, and it's just going to be my Tarte unboxing order. And the only reason why it's so short is because of my voice. I'm sure you guys will get annoyed with it after a bit, but I'm going to try my best to make sure I can speak properly. I have my water as well, just in case. So guys, please forgive me for my voice and how crazy it's going to sound in this video. I will try my best, I promise. Okay, so a couple of months back I placed a Tarte order on the Tarte website because they were having free shipping, and they also had a lot of amazing discounts. So this is the first time I'm ever trying Tarte, and I'm just so super excited to unbox this box. Like, I've had it literally sitting here for months, dying to do an unboxing, and you know what, now's the time. So, and I think my husband's getting sick and tired of this parcel sitting around, so I'm gonna unbox it and definitely start using the products. So it came in this white box. It's got the snazzy Tarte logo on it with some beautiful lips all around it. I just thought it was so cute, and I took a sneak peek inside for you guys. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Look, it's just a beautiful purple. It says, "Hello Tartlet, why choose between beauty that works and beauty that's healthy? Rethink natural." Now, I don't know what they're trying to tell us, but are they kind of going down the natural route now, Tarte is? I don't know. But it came in this absolutely beautiful tissue paper. I mean, it feels luxurious. And I like that it has the Tarte logo on it, and it's just beautiful. So I'm going to unbox it. Oh, I'm so excited. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Please subscribe. Come on. Come on. Okay, right. There were 3 things that I ordered, and this is what they look like. Me trying to sing with my voice like this? No, Jose. Right. So, I bet you a ton of you guys have seen this everywhere. It's the Tartelette Toasted Palette. It says the Tartelette Toasted Eyeshadow Palette. Actually, let's just do one by one. So that's all you get in there. I don't think you get anything else. So this is what the first thing looks like. It's basically this. There was the Tartelette and Bloom palette, which I think is a much pinkier palette, and then there's this toasted palette. I chose the toasted palette because the colours just spoke to me. God, I'm getting sick of my own voice right now. And this is basically the Tartelette Toasted Eyeshadow Palette. It's the net weight is 1.5 grams, and there are 0.053 ounces times 12. So there's 12 eyeshadows. It tells you all the ingredients on the back. Nice, shiny packaging. Foiled gold packaging. And this is kind of like a leopardy print. Ooh! I've just opened it. Okay, right, this is what the palette looks like. It feels quite luxurious, and it feels quite heavy compared to like Makeup Revolution palettes and things like that. So I know this is legit, like, gorgeous. Okay, it says Tartelette Toasted on there. You do, when you open it up, you get a chi note, and you also get a plastic, which we don't need that. But this is a chi note, and it says Tartelette Toasted. I think it just gives you some eye looks that you can create. So there's a nice warm flaming hot. It says apply sunset all over the, okay, so it's like a sunset kind of vibes the eyelid is giving. There's a smoky eye you can create. And they have it in 2 languages. That's cool. And they also promote their Instagram and hashtag Tartelette Toasted. Okay, right, this is the palette. Let's get to the palette. Right, okay. Right, I'm not gonna lie, I have like done a bit of swatchy when I was getting bored. So you do get quite a large mirror in there. Here's my hand. You get quite a large mirror in there. It actually feels quite nice. And you have the Tartelette logo on there as well. And this is what the eyeshadows look like. Oh my god. Basically what I really like is the fact that the eyeshadows have an engraving in there. Okay, so that's what the eyeshadow palette looks like. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Right, let's swatch a couple of colours. Okay, let's swatch. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's swatch a couple of colours. It smells yummy. It smells like chocolate. Like, you know the chocolate palette? It smells like that, like hot chocolate. I love it. Okay, I'm going to swatch Cozy. Oh, that felt really soft and smooth. Okay, right, where do I swatch this? That's what that, wow, and it's still on my finger. That's what Cozy looks like. We've got Warmth. These are all the mattes and they feel nice and soft and smooth. Let's try some shimmers. I really want to try Candle. This one's actually a tiny bit flaky. I don't know if you can see, but I'm going to swatch it for you guys, but it's gorgeous. God, I hope this shows up for you guys there. That's what it is. Gorgeous, gorgeous shimmery shade. Let's go into Crackle. That looks gorgeous. Oh, I shouldn't have swatched this. That is so dark. And I love that this has glitter in it as well. Okay, guys, I am back. I had to empty my memory card out because it was just being mean to me and saying there was no space. But when I did that, I still had the swatches on my hand. And this brown swatched out really nice, and it was a beautiful brown because it had like specks of glitter in there. But I've noticed over time, like even just at 10-15 minutes I've just waited for my memory card to unload onto my laptop, the glitters have kind of disappeared, so it can be used as a wearable brown anyway, I think. What I did notice is that there was a bit of fallout already gone onto the mirror. I just think that's something to watch out for. Maybe these eyeshadows are a bit, they have a bit of kick off, but I'm not too sure because this goldy brown, this brown with gold flecks in it, it seems like there's a lot of gold flecks, but it's not showing up on the swatches. But I think this is going to be a beautiful palette overall. I just can't wait to try it. Okay, right, I love how weighty it is. Okay, right, the next thing is this hefty beautiful thing, beautiful sparkly thing. It's the Tarte High Performance Naturals. Basically it's a blush palette, and I know a lot of people rave about the blush palettes from Tarte, or the fact that the blushes from Tarte are really nice and super long lasting and beautiful in every way. And I always use like £1 blushes, so I thought kind of like, you know, amp my makeup kit up a little bit more and become a bit more posh in the blush department, because I do love a good blush. Like the one I'm wearing on today is one from Benefit. I forgot what it's called. I'm wearing the California blush, but this is what it looks like. It came in this beautiful clutch, but I don't know how convenient it will be because it's a bit big. Basically, it's a bit clunky, like big. I don't think it'd be good for traveling, but then again, you do get 5. Basically, this isn't a blush set. This is a face set, and it basically comes with 2 protective sleeves, one's to protect it from the mirror, and this, it can actually be used as a real clutch because you have like your credit card slots, nice mirror. You can even pull this out, I believe. Yep, you can, and it comes in a solid plastic, so you can take this with you traveling, but I don't think you would be able to take this with you traveling, but it can come out and you could just use this as a clutch. And I think it's super glittery and gorgeous, but I don't know if I would take it out because glittery and glam and gorgeous, how often do I do that? But yeah, it just drew to my attention when I bought it, and I'm pretty sure they still have this on the website, as well as that Tarte palette, which is obviously like a staple, whereas this is kind of like a holiday collection palette. And if you have a look, you get 2 blushes. Actually, sorry, you get 3 blushes. This is a much warmer blush. You have a highlighter and a bronzer, and it looks nice. Let's watch the highlighter. Oh, the highlighter is really soft. What I've noticed is the textures of the eyeshadows in this palette. You can tell they're high end, but it's super smooth, and I think it would just give you a nice beautiful sheen on the face. Okay, I'm really drawn to this corally peachy blush. I really like coral peachy blushes, and this bronzer, I don't know, it looks a bit light. It might just go. It should work. Okay, that was the other thing I bought. Let's see how much I end up using it, and it's got like a nice little clasp thing to shut it. which is nice, and it's actually quite secure. The last thing I picked up is this. Basically, it's a gel eyeliner. It's the Clay Pot Amazonian Clay waterproof liner. It's a waterproof liner, which I'm excited about because most of my eyeliners never stay in my waterline. So I'm excited to try this in my waterline as well as my lash line. It says here you get 2.5 grams. I don't know. Ooh. Again, this is quite a weighty product. You can tell it feels luxurious, but this is what it comes in, this packaging. It does say Tarte on the front, on the top, and yep, this is the gel liner. And from what I can tell, it's really black, so I'm so excited. I haven't actually done a wear test, so I'm excited to do that because this girl loves her eyeliner, so that's exciting. Does it come with a brush? It does not come with a brush, so there you go. I made it through, woohoo! Now my battery's about to die, so I'm going to be signing off. I hope you guys enjoyed that little kind of unboxing haul of the things that I bought from Tarte, and this was my first ever Tarte haul. These are the first ever products I've ever bought from Tarte, and I'm so excited to try them. Better be worth the money because altogether this cost me about 50 quid, which I know I could get more with drugstore products, or probably just a bit more now that drugstore products are the price is getting a lot higher. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. By the way, guys, I'm so excited to wear this top on and show it off to you guys because I really do love it. It's basically like a nice sweater, baggy sweater, but it also comes with a collar inserts and these beautiful bell arms. You're supposed to wrap this around it, but I preferred it loose, and I just love the way this sweater looks, and I like the length of it as well. I bought it from Next if you wanted to know. But yeah, this is the first time I did my scarf like this. Let me know down below how you feel about that. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.